Mercury FinTech Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're running a startup or small business, managing finances is critical, yet most people get this wrong. They rely on traditional banks that aren't optimized for tech-focused businesses. Mercury is a fintech platform offering business banking with integrated financial tools designed for startups. The surprising truth is how much it streamlines banking and cash management. You won't believe how quickly you can open an account and access advanced features. Here's how it works. Mercury provides business accounts with no monthly fees, easy online access, and integrated tools for payments, payroll, and expense management. For example, a startup can manage multiple team cards, track transactions, and set spending limits in real time. The platform also supports integrations with accounting software, payment processors, and investment tools. Most business owners get this wrong. They assume banking is separate from operations. Mercury combines both to reduce administrative overhead. Another benefit is security. The platform includes FDIC-insured accounts, two-factor authentication, and real-time monitoring to protect business funds. However, there are considerations. Mercury is primarily online-based, so businesses needing in-person banking may need alternatives. Most people assume fintech platforms function exactly like traditional banks. It's digital first, which can be a pro or con depending on your needs. In conclusion, Mercury is an excellent choice for startups and tech-driven businesses seeking modern, integrated banking solutions. It simplifies financial management, saves time, and provides tools designed for growth. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech platforms and business banking.